Hello, my name is Alex and I'm going to be teaching you how to properly use a cloth face mask. So before anything, the purpose of a mask when you're wearing it is more about protecting your neighbor than it is about protecting yourself. Now, I emphasize this because the idea is that you are the one carrying the virus. Not that that's true, but that's the assumption. So you put this shield, that way none of the droplets or the spores or anything that you're going to be breathing out is going to be going anywhere. So if you do that for your neighbor and your neighbor does that for you, you have that double barrier, which is allowing for more protection for both of you. So that's the idea behind it. Now, for us to go ahead and put on the mask, okay, before anything, you always want to go ahead and put it in a safe place, all right? But before you put on any sort of equipment, you're going to want to wash your hands. 20 seconds, happy birthday, whatever, 20 seconds. So hands are clean, right? And you have your typical face cloth mask, okay? Now, it is recommended that the more layers, the better. Okay, they've even done a research study where putting nylon stockings around you adds for another layer of protection, okay? So with our face masks, you always do it by the side, okay? You don't really want to touch the front of it. It's always by the sides, okay? So you tuck in your chin, all right? I'm sorry, I do this out of habit, so step by step. So you grab the sides. You put it in your chin, just so that you're not really touching it too much once you adjust it. Your hands are still clean, but you don't want to touch it too much. Either way, okay? So put your chin around your ears. Now see, this is wrong. So you're going to adjust it, and you're going to put it over your nose, okay? This is for you to have a good seal, all right? This face mask is very good because it covers all sides and underneath, okay? That's how you know that this is a good protection for you. This is the proper way to wear a mask. If you have it like this is just for demonstration purposes. If you have it like this, you're not doing anybody any good. You're not helping yourself, you're not helping anybody around you, okay? So it's always the full covering, okay? And that's it. You leave it alone, you don't touch it, okay? You're going to literally pretend that there is nothing but poo on the front of this mask the moment you put it on. Don't touch it, okay? Now when you dispose of it, you're going to have that same idea in mind, okay? You touch the sides, oh my God. Okay, it happened. But even if that happens for someone who wears glasses, right? Okay, you're still touching the sides, so we'll try that one again. Okay, so again, poo on the outside, you're not going to touch it. That's literally where the virus would be, right? That's what you're protecting yourself from. So you touch the sides, okay? And you just take it off, all right? All fabric, what is it? What are they called?
Cloths.
No. The infection, if on your mask, will be washed away by all detergents, okay? So that's not something to fear. But if you're getting this, immediately put it into the wash, and I mean, you can reuse these, that's their purpose. Okay, so just put them in the wash. Again, the more layers, the better. Don't do it to where you're uncomfortable and you can't breathe, all right? But again, the more layers, the better, and this is about protecting your neighbor. Thank you. Oh, wash your hands after this too. So again, wash your hands. It's poo, right? You're gonna put this away. Always wash your hands after. Before you do something and after you do something with any activity that you're going to be going outside, that's what you do to be safe.